the plural of words. When we change a singular noun into plural, we add s at the end of the noun. Example: book, books; chair, chairs; cat, cats; dog, dogs. When the noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch, o, x, it takes es at the end in plural. Example: bus, buses; brush, brushes; watch, watches; potato, potatoes; box, boxes. When the noun ends with a consonant and y, we change the y to I, and then we add es at the end for the plural. Example: baby, babies; lorry, lorries; lady, ladies. But if before y comes a vowel, we keep the y and just add s. Example: key, keys; donkey, donkeys. When a noun ends with f or fe, we change the f and fe to ves. Example: wolf, wolves; chief, chiefs; life, lives; wife, wives. But there are some exceptions as: example, roof, roofs; chef, chefs;